What is up, you guys? We are on the way to the mall. I have a package from Zara. I actually ordered a really cool fur leopard hat that I ordered a size small. I just have the smallest head. It's just a little too big on my head. So I want to return it. I actually need to go get some more jeans because my jeans are falling off of me. Hooray! Probably down another size, and I've been literally wearing belts and doing everything I can to keep the ones I have. But they just, if I lose 1 more pound, they're just gonna fall off. So I'm gonna invest in a pair of jeans today at Zara. Let me show you the hat I have here. Hold on, I'm gonna prop you up here in the car. Let me see if I can. Hold on. Let me show you the hat. It's so cute. I ordered it online. It came. I'm so upset because look at this hat. Look at this hat. Look, size small. Okay, but it's just too big. Look at this. You know this is up my alley, and it's the softest, most plush hat, and it's lined and whatnot. It's just too big. I don't know. I need to shop at a child's store for hats. Don't I, Jess?
Well, if we're going to kids' stores, can I ride the bike through the aisle and throw the football?
So we're on the way to the mall to return the hat, to get a new pair of pants.
And I need shoes.
And Jess needs a pair of shoes. So we'll see you at the mall. My shot day is today, Saturday. Oh, and it's 4 o'clock right now. I took the shot, I think it was like 7:30 this morning. And all of a sudden, it just kicked in. I'm so nauseous right now. But we're passing 7-Eleven, so I asked Jess to run inside and pick me up a Diet Sprite. I would normally go for a Diet Coke, but I have no taste for that right now. So Diet Sprite will be just lemon lime, so kind of help with a little bit of the nausea. Anyway, that's where we're at with the tirzepatide. Making me a little nauseous today. Yes, it is. I don't know why, and all I ate today was an egg white turkey sausage on an English muffin by Jimmy Dean. And then I had half a slice of cranberry bread from Thanksgiving with one of those little snack packs of Breakstone's cottage cheese on it. That's it. And I can't even think about eating anything else. So today is probably going to be a wash after all that. So waiting for my Diet Sprite from my man, and then we'll go to the mall. Thank you, Jess.
Here you are.
Thank you.
See, the good thing about this new hood that I have on my new hoodie is that the security cameras can't make out your face. So, this one's on us.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Here we are in the mall.
Can't even tell you the last time I was here.
Many, many, many moons ago. Oh, and they've got the tree. Want to take your picture with Santa? So we are home from the mall. I want to show you, I did buy a pair of jeans over at Express. They were half off. These jeans were originally $100. I got them for $49. They are called, just so you all know, they are called the Skyscraper Mid-Rise, and I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm not wearing them yet, but you will see them. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see me wearing them. I'm probably going to wear them tomorrow. And I want to show you, I'm going to lay them out on my table here. I want to show you what they look like. So as you can see, they do have a flare at the bottom, and I love the seam, but look at this. The seam goes up here. So instead of being straight in the middle, look at that. And then that's what the top looks like. And my kitty cat is eating. So sorry about that. We put it up here so the dogs don't get it. But anyway, yeah, here's what they look like. I love these. I think with a nice pair of pointed toe boots, these are going to look amazing. I'll have a nice belt. I'll have a sweater. Let me just show you the back just so you can see. Here's the pocket placement, which I love. There's no distressing. And you can see the same seam from the back. How awesome are these jeans? Love it. All right. And then let me show you. I did pick this up. You saw it in the video. This is the new Diet Coke line from Target. And it's a nice baby pink, ballerina pink. And what's great about it is, you guys saw I had to return that hat today. I couldn't find one that fits my head. This was in the kids section, believe it or not, and it fits. So I have a small head. Then, let me move that over. Then I got those sneakers from DSW. Oh, Britt, your cookie dough. Brittany bought cookie dough. We put it in this bag in the car. Let me show you the shoes. There they are. These are the Adidas. They're platform, very soft, very cushy. Here's the bottom. They're a suede, and they have the green. I just think these are so nice. So I'm excited to wear these as well. Something different. And that is my little haul. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. We are heading to church, Brittany and I. It's snowing for the first, well, it's not the first time, but it is snowing very lightly. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty. I'm so excited to go. So let me get in here. After that, we're going to hit Trader Joe's, Britt and I. So we will see you after church. See you then. So what a beautiful mass it was. Today is the first day of Advent. And we had a beautiful Holy Christmas Mass. It was beautiful. At the end, they had Santa and an elf come in, which was sponsored by the Knights of Columbus. They had this beautiful breakfast downstairs for the kids. It was just so nice. And you know, I don't know if anybody out there is religious, spiritual, what, but when you leave, you always feel so good. And it was just beautiful. So now, with that behind us, we're going to start our day. We're going to head over to Trader Joe's. I have to pick up some food, and let's see what we're going to get. I am really trying to have more fish. I have stayed away from it for quite a while now. The last, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks. I haven't really had much. Been doing a lot of other types of proteins, but I am craving fish. I'm craving it. And so I think I'm going to pick up some salmon. And I need some tuna, and I want to pick up some scallops, some other things. I don't know. Brittany just ran into Quick Check now to get us some coffee, and that's about it. It's snowing. As we were leaving church, the snow was coming down. It was so beautiful. It was like, you know, when they open the doors and everybody starts to leave, it was just, all you saw was white snow. It was just stunning. So anyway, that's that. Here comes Britt. It's not a great hair day, but it doesn't matter, because all that matters is that we are in positive mindset. This is the season of hustle and bustle. In fact, that's what they were talking about. You need to take time to just decompress. Don't worry about what the stores are selling. Don't worry about what friends and family are doing. Just go through the motions, do your thing, but also take time for yourself. That was something that I needed to hear, because I feel like my days are just consumed with helping everybody else. Everybody else. My patients, my staff at work, just, and they do the same for me, but I also deal with family and just household chores and bills and just so much. So it's really important to just take a step back, have some time to yourself, and just take some time. It's important. All right, let's get out of here. Meanwhile, back home at the ranch, Jess and George, our friend, They are hanging the flat screen TV to the wall so that we can move it around and see it from all angles of the living room. So here's dinner. This is my skinny pasta, which is 9 calories for the entire bowl. Ground turkey, some bell peppers, mushrooms, and some grated Parmesan cheese on top. Let me show you the noodles because I get that question more often than not. Taking a look inside the pantry. Here it is. This is called It's Skinny Pasta. 2 minutes in the microwave. I usually do 3 minutes after I drain it out. And look at the macros. Here it is, you guys. Let me see if you can see it. 4.5 calories for half the bag. So making that 9 calories for the entire bag. This is the sauce we used tonight. And I added my own mushrooms and peppers on top of it. So combined with some ground turkey makes a very low calorie but voluminous meal. Let me go show it to you again. And that's what it looks like already cooked. Doesn't that look delicious? And then I just put it in my little bowl. There you go. So I'm going to go eat this dinner. This is under 300 calories. And then, for a change, I have a Sprite Zero that I already started drinking. So that's dinner, guys. And then, let me show you what I'm going to have for dessert. This is what I'm having for dessert tonight. I'm going to have one of these zero sugar Jellos. And if you look way in the back, I got a little bit of Ready Whip. So that'll be my dessert for this evening. Well, guys, it's a few hours later. I fell asleep. I ate, had a full belly, and took a nice nap. Hence why I look like I just rolled out of bed. Because I did. And I am having my dessert now. This is that little Jello I showed you before with a little whipped cream. I was going to say sour cream. Dogs are playing and growling. I can't. Anyway, I'm going to go eat this now. Thanks for watching this little weekend vlog. I love you all, and I will see you during the week. Have a good night.